Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Matic for today, and of course, before we continue, as always, you can join our Patreon or buymeacoffee.com, right? It is a site like Patreon. I have the links in the description box and in the comment section. We provide easy signals that you follow, and the fee does not exceed the 30 euros per month. It is something that you can afford, and trust me on that. You can gain much more than the monthly fee. So it is not like you're paying something for not having anything back. You will pay something and you will get much more money. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go to Matic. Matic against USDT. This is so hard, so tough to predict. I'm actually going to start with what I think about Matic. Matic, seeing it on LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on, it is making new collaborations every single month, major ones, right? And to be honest with you, I think that Matic is going to absolutely go crazy. I think that Matic is going to touch the 10 USDT, right? No doubt about that. So even if you buy at the 0.58, you will be gaining something more in the future, right? It won't stop at 0.58. Now, until it happens, until Matic is going to 10 USDT, there's no one telling you that Matic couldn't go to 0.28, for example. Can it go there? Yes, it can. Okay, the point right here is to see some things about Matic. So this is the 200-day moving average, the newly formed 200-day in the weekly scale. We have on the RSI something very important, a very possible bullish RSI divergence happening between Monday 12 June to Monday 21 August. But since it is above the 30s and not below the 30s, it is something that it can break down. Okay, it is something that we can see something like this and then breaking down. All right, so therefore I will be going into the weekly moving averages, the exponential moving averages. You can see that as long as we are below the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, this is not a buying opportunity for the weekly scale. All right, so therefore, yes, we could be going down. At the same time, though, I'm telling you this, even if you buy right now, let's say that you are going to the 0.28, you do not have to look about the price target right here. All you care about is the futures target, which will be above the 5 USDT, even to 10 USDT. I'm actually very confident about Matic. Now, into the lower time frames right here. So we talked about that in the higher time frames. Yes, for after 1 year and a half, you can buy. For the next few weeks, I do not think that this is the case, that it is a great, clear buying entry. Now, for the 20-day, for the 200-day moving average, we had a crazy pump in the 4-hour frame for Matic over plus 10% right in the 4-hour frame. We stopped at the 200-day moving average, so then we go down, then we have a support level at the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. Now, if we can close above this 200-day moving average right here, we would be absolutely, it would be actually absolutely great. I'm going to have a Fibonacci from this top right here all the way down to the bottom that we have right there. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to show you something very beautiful. Once we close above, forget about the 0.6305 for now. Once we close above the 0.5983 around there in the daily frame, then we have multiple chances into revisiting the 0.63, and not only that, going even higher. I'm going a little bit to copy this price label so we have these two targets. In the daily frame, closing above the 0.5983, we are going to go all the way up to the 0.6449. The 0.5983 is a little bit different than this price label for some sense, because I cannot actually magnet the price label right now into the exact 0.236 Fibonacci, but at the same time, it is around there. Okay, so do not worry about that. Actually, you know, even if you use the magnet right here, you cannot provide details. You can only put the price label into a body of a candlestick or so. So right here, we are going to close above the 0.5983 in the daily frame, and then we are going absolutely to the 0.6449, and then we are going to fly towards the 0.68. I'm going to delete this one right here. So these are the exact targets if we close above this level right here. And maybe even if we close above the 0.6881, then we have multiple chances into making this as a bullish RSI divergence, and maybe Matic will see something better. But for the meantime, for the short term, these are the exact targets, right? We need to close above. Until we close above the 0.5983, we cannot go higher. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, links in the description box and in the comment section as a pinned message for me. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.